Welcome to Dell Technologies Recover Point and Recover Point for Virtual Machines How-To Series. How to change admin user password from admin interface. Reference Dell Knowledge article number 158478. This video was created to demonstrate how to change the admin user password from the admin interface. When to do this? When the user wants to change the admin user password. Before you begin, ensure you are able to SSH to RPAs with admin credentials. Open SSH session to the cluster management IP with user admin. Type 6, then enter the system management CLI, then type command enable advanced support commands and press enter. Answer with yes to the presented question. Then type command set password. Enter the old password. Then enter the new password. Confirm the new password. System will report that the new password is set successfully. In case of Recover Point for Virtual Machines version 5.3 and later, you will need to reconfigure the plugin server from the WDM. Reference the following for more information. Dell EMC Knowledge Base article number 158478 Recover Point, How to Change Admin Password from Admin. Dell EMC Recover Point for Virtual Machines CLI Reference Guide. Dell EMC Recover Point CLI Reference Guide. Thank you for watching.